Before we start the video, we have a new competition for you to win. So we have a question for you. Who is the new Kaizer Chiefs coach? The question again, who is the new Kaizer Chiefs coach? You can SMS the answer to 32608 and then you will be automatically entered into a draw to win one of 500 rands cash prizes and a supporters jersey with your name on. The terms and conditions do apply. You must have a valid World Sports betting account to enter. Only one entry allowed per person. All entries will be verified. The competition ends on the 31st of October 2020 at midnight. No one under the age of 18 is allowed to enter. The question again, who is the new Kaizer Chiefs coach? You SMS your answer to 32608. Terms and conditions apply. It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. AmaZulu 1, Orlando Pirates 1 in the DStv Premiership opening day of a brand new season. Orlando Pirates opened this season with a 1-1 draw away to AmaZulu Football Club as well. Right. Interesting game that we saw. AmaZulu were fearless in the first half. They were allowed to play in the middle, Ositebe in the first half, and as a result they created some opportunities. Very two dubious penalties that we saw in this encounter. Obviously Orlando Pirates playing better in the second half. Overall,
yeah, game it's a game of 12. First half, AmaZulu they were on top of Orlando Pirates. Azang by Sabe, fearless in Kulmanga Tebe, Yonki team as a whole. Machoro, yeah, Mamela, fearless. Bemelenga bathola 2 goals ngikhuluma first half. Question mark starting 11 Orlando Pirates. Justa one way Justa. Leangwenya American mabayisana as a right back at Orlando Pirates. He's a right back and when he goes forward he must make sure Magmele a pass is simple. For instance, kune pass nguleko kuno cross. You cannot just cross for the sake of crossing. Asiko radial cross. How many crosses put on the box? Goalkeeper straight. Like we cross more than 5 times second half. Goalkeeper. We understand probably somebody told him good is good technically, but they will shy bowler when there's nobody in the box. And now Hambi kungekho necessary to hamba mawudlala right back. He was signed as a right back. Ngine question mark ngale position qala ukuthi ungene udlala kanjani. Secondly, Ngululeko in the middle. Open Mutsuari like Utsuashilo. Melathali in the middle. He stays a question mark putting on Ndlovu why is starting? Why is playing for Paris? The problem in Kulmina, I'll say it as it is. Anyakolis is playing for Paris, yes, but good line up okay sharp angabikon. There's Vincent Poole. I don't think Ndlovu is better than Vincent Poole. Today when he came in, Maunga checker there was movement. Upule ufigile la in the middle umakaringa na waphuma kusho ukuthi kwaba upule la in the middle naye noma ngabadlala ngama anchor 2 badlale nga 3 ngikhuluma nge sort of playmaker njengoba ngisho ngithi thanks basayina uBenny Mutsuari yes between him and Umunare basayina Umunare yes between him and Uben they will be good ba fight tele position mfethu badlale nge NK1 and then badlale nga Vincent Poole and now kusho ukuthi umakaringa if they play him ingwenya nayo mele ibonise coach ukuthi is a attacker or is a defensive midfield. Imele aqala decide nayo when he plays. Emehlweni coach emtshela ukuthi ngiya defend or ngiya attack. But I believe obvious mangibona na respect beka more fluid going forward. So ingwenya manje mele badlale ngani Vincent Poole ngichaza ukuthi in front of Ben Mutsuari kube ne shape. Ikwazi ukuthi lo mjita lo uKapaltino mangangabukeki ordinary player. He can score goals. Sometimes we are create something out of nothing. We are he can move off the ball. Put the balance. You understand? Segmela thola wrong position. Right. The reason being why. Lebanta ba chuaba function. But drop too deep. Once the penalty makaringa because of uthola boxing benga melanga thola. I mean there's Ben Mutsuari. Angithi udlala la wena ufunanda. Badlala bayi4 at the back. AmaZulu kushukuthi ngizokutshela nje iqiniso nkuleko la imidlalo bebayidominate bosithebe ngikhuluma ngokuthi ngoba uMakarimbe kalahleka banaye lo mjithu Ndlovu nowhere to be seen. You only think the question mark starting 11 sakhe coach but wele ezingisho second half uyenza ama changes. Vincent Poole came, there was a different knowledge. You can see Lodge is match fitness. I'm not too sure ukuthi umchita psychological grand, but ngikhuluma uyambona ama touches ukuthi Lodge yes he is a good player, I understand. Nkululeko kuke kaba nama changes second half mangayibona iPirates. There was a Pirates yokuthi manje yile mina engiyaziyo kusho ukuthi njengoba ngitshela iPirates pound to pound with Mamelodi Sundowns with players. Iyayimesha. But the problem ukuthi coach njengoba ngisho ibalance team yakhe ayikho balance. Fana noma idlala idlala ngespeed esi1 yakhathala second half. If idlala grand first half yakhathala second half. But lately when I watch even last week when they won, very disappointing. I-line up aqala ngayo. You can't, my brother. Undlovu, I'm surprised when man of the match. And then South Africa ndlala ngathi. Yeah, ndlala ngathi South Africa, my brother. Yeah, you won man of the match. The guy is losing so many balls. Udlala nge-energy, energy udlala ngayo mangithi i-energy phela mawusebenzisa energy kumele uyisebenzise kube ne-positive results. Yeah, so umjita njengoba ngisho ngithi mina Nkululeko ngiquestiona kabhayi ngwenya i-starting lineup ye-coach iyenza ukuthi iPirates ingabi balance imazulu ibe all over yona ngoba lama player afakile le confidence ngikhuluma ngaye you start.
There was also a question about Dion Hoto.
Ngiyalapho futhi ngifuna ukuyala Dion Hoto ngitshelile na last week Nkululeko. I mean abengizomdlalisa left back ngiyaxolisa. Mina bengizomdlalisa left back afight nabo Mayela. Ngimtshela ngithi please ngicela ube tactically discipline dlala left back simple. Because when he's playing on the left wing, ngitshelile last Buzile, Pirates mawudlala kunama ball player amaningi lapha. In most abadlala ngama winger. You drop inside sometimes beshe you full back yambe. You must able to play. Ukuphuma ku tight situation nga 1-2. Akusukuthi ibhola if we playing but we winger. Every time you must go in ibhola adlalwa kanjalo. You program to society malfika you put it on the box and then the coaches of fight and track. I'm not too sure whether instruction man mina ngine problem na ivelile ama play ngitshela ngawo ngithi ngiunderstand ne team abuya kuyo. Yiwo ngibuzile ukuthi Pirates emsayine kanjani. Mina ngiyaxolisa mina will be honest. Abo Hoto ugood. Yes, technically, but each technical sense is ngendlela right. Awene vision man. When you play for Pirates, amatlapa njengabo Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, kufuneka vision lapha. Like you need to think instead kwezinye izinto ukusebenzisa energy. Okanye ama instructions we coach. Now you need ukuba more clever. Cause less side in wide noma smaka lapha phakathi thola ukuthi kuba nehole akangeni phakathi. You understand Nkululeko? He's scared even to 10 noma ngabe there's somebody asisho ukuthi siyazi I basic football if you allow face khona bakupass pass but sometimes my brother as ama risk yawathatha uHoto is programmed bro. And I mean I'm very disappointed hiyo beyenza ukuthi line up ePirates ingabi balance right back tactical discipline not we used to just and very disappointed njoba ngisho uyaphambili waste Shapola goalkeeper. I don't know whether it's training or game there. Umchita anything that is doing if you go forward. I'm out of position. I must make sure. Aranyal pasa okanye ilifake boxing. Yeah.
All right. There's also obviously the challenge officiating. The refereeing in the match, there were 2 penalties that were questionable. Were you happy with the officiating overall when even those 2 penalty incidents?
It's all right. Lineman line akebero. If beka straight because we won the ball bele ngaphandle lele Pirates. Ukuthi sharp ingwenye ibonile mhlambe ukuthi lineman akekho straight. Mara nayo thatha ama chance ayinto because igame ama emotions we game ngikhuluma ngetempo be high. Ujampele nje ama player amthenga uRiver. Ujampele boxing. Bamshaya ngaphandle ujampele boxing. Ngoba beyinera incident la yenzeke khona phambi kwebox. Wajampele boxing no referee positioning lineman positioning was wrong. Wayikhomba emlothini. And then uRiver to believe. You understand? Yeah, Pirates mina ngisasho I understand but it too soft Nkululeko. Yes, penalty umpushile fact mabasho angisho if we South Africa everywhere if we say if umuntu kune contact eboxini penalty but liyana mawungayicheka I soft ibengayeka ikayichu yiwo ngithi ikayichu ya debate ya omunye umuntu angeke play me futhi mangathi penalty ngizama ukusho kanjalo but I refereeing was bad because iya change mawungacheka nama emotions ngoba iPirates ithe mayikora abo Sithebe uthi ufortunate ukuthi angathola red card ngoba uye over ibhola and ukhaba umunye umntana And then Pirates players they went to goodbye kuye, you understand? And iqale nenge Pirates kune player elikhaba umuntu we Pirates wamaZulu and noba fortunate naye bese game rough ngale incident ka referee ukuthi why abanike penalty. AmaZulu wayithatha ngama emotions Pirates ifuna ukuretaliate.
Okay. Positives for all of the Pirates as we wrap up. Any positive things? I mean, they did better in the second half. I know that you have a challenge with the coach. You are worried he may not be able to take them forward, maybe winning a league title. But any positives? Because, I mean, they do have individual players who are good.
Ngikutshelile ngathi pound to pound is match Sundowns. Not exactly same. Sundowns obviously a technical team will be powerful. That's the difference between them and Pirates. Pirates have got players. I was balance selection 18 kali amshaw coach. If you put players there, ufaka player, angeke ufaka player new i5 namhlanje okanye 4. You understand? Sometimes unokunqaka ngitshelile nkule kunokufaka 4 players adlala ngo left eground nonke. Kabelo Dlamini, Vincent Pule, uMayela. You understand? Ngizama nje ukwenzela umzekelo. Wodwa. Unokubafaka. I-coach Pirates, it tells you team yakho ukuthi ayikho balance. You can't do that ngulele. You must be clever le ngwenye unama player individual. Bazogcina bamncedisa ngeke ba play me whoever ngoba iPirates ihlapha enkulu. You understand? You cannot allow into so yenzeke. La ba expect khona ukuthi bawine. Play bad. Pound to pound. Mawunga check team list. Inesindi Pirates ngabagama. But the ground in AmaZulu measure. Because there was nothing special. Individual Pirates njengoba ngitshela. Second half ngibonile positive. Individually bebakwazi ukuthi yena uVincent Pule ngikhuluma ngaye lo mjita lo I've seen no lo mfana lo uLodge makangena. Yeah, it's not match fitness. I'm not a fan mina ka Lodge bra, but definitely umjita has done a lot in his career ngikhuluma ngapast. And we Pirates is done kusho ukuthi naku Pirates has done a lot for Pirates. So uthe makangena there's a different ngala ma player lawo icoach wafakile uLodge. You understand? Ngibonile positive going forward they were more fluid. Now Kabelo Dlamini makangena there was movement. You understand? I was very happy nangomtambo.
Sure.
You understand? I positive kuya phambili ngoba AmaZulu second half mawunga check about self in here.
Yeah, for sure.
That's the reason ngithi mina ngibonile Pirates second half a bit question mark nguTyson. Udlale grand. I'm not a fan yakhe but namhlanje ngiyamnika credit. Udlale grand. But akakwazi ukuthi adlale so he allows the cross him jump mude uTyson. The height is yiko ngitshela ngithi heading is not all about the height. You must be able to peg opponent yakho. Le ball le length different. Umemela if was we punch la buya khona it's a goal. So izinto ezinjalo they must learn. You understand Nkuleko and he must learn angisifeni yakhe njengoba ngitshela mina uTyson but namhlanje ngiyamnika credit umjita udlalile. Ngimbonile kunamanye last week was a bit slow la ball kuza somebody alithatha. Decision making ufaka ibhola phakathi square into eziningi bekazenza but today you could see ibhola maliza open body udlala le.
All right, there you go. That's Junior Kanye, Itiski TV analyst. 0645250513. If you have any opinions on the game, Itiski TV is on Facebook as well. www.wsb.co.za. World Sports Betting is our partner as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.